Paris. Well, this is yours. Something cool. Here we go. Six-piece clean mop set. Mommy likes the wooden voice. There's a mop. Going well. And this one too, right here.
Good job.
Well, Grumpy, come here. Ah. Look, Noel.
It's too big for that.
Jeremy.
Noel likes it. Oh. Oh, Noel. Ooh. Oof. Need help? Yeah? Meow, meow, meow.
Noel.
Whoa.
Sweet jacket. Those two.
You like pizza? I don't think you'd like those sauces. Oh my. This one is jalapeno mushrooms. Whoa. Are you saying hi to it or bye to it? Garlic sauce is the best. The butter garlic sauce. Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm making some banana bread. And I'm also making some lemon chicken pasta. Every time is I hit it with olive oil so that it doesn't start clumping up. And then I just kind of fluff it up. Okay, so I have this leftover rotisserie style chicken, which I got yesterday. I make this lemon chicken pasta all the time because it makes for bulk, and honestly, it's really good. Okay, so I pretty much have my shredded chicken already, pulled apart, and then this is leftover carcass. But here it is. This is from the chicken, and now I'm just gonna incorporate it with my pasta. Just like so. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be using this carcass for anything. I usually keep my carcasses and do chicken stock, but I'm not gonna do that. I literally have too many things inside the freezer, so I'll pass. And of course, I'm gonna drop in half a stick of butter. So I'm gonna place the butter and garlic and onion in the pasta now. And of course, I'm gonna squeeze some lemons. Aww. Come here, kitty. Come here, kitty. Yeah, that was a nice hug. Whoa. That was so forced. Good job. Oh my gosh, this. I tried it already. Boy. That's bomb. Being a lemon juice. Woo! I also made my garlic ready on standby because look, cutting garlic is like taking 7 hours of my day, okay? So it's on standby whenever I need it. Beautiful. Let's check my banana. Wow. On point. Damn, me. I made a loaf style and then I just made like a cakey style.